In the final part of my Malay street food tour, we go deep into Kampung Baru, the last Malay village in Kuala Lumpur, to find out what local Malays eat at the end of the day.
Because the air ventilation, because the house are 100% underground, you won't feel the air go through your house. That's why you can see window and windows there. So to allow all the air go through. The second reason is to prevent the venomous animal to go inside the house, such as centipede, snakes, scorpion to go inside the house. That's why it's a bit higher.
Are there a lot of snakes in the city?
Huh?
Are there a lot of snakes in the city?
Yeah, because you imagine last time it's a was a village.
Before.
Yeah.
What about now?
And now still have. In the drain also there's a lot of snakes as well. Okay, and then the third reason is to prevent flood.
Yeah, we have these in Australia to prevent floods.
So come. But this rice, the creaminess come from the coconut. That's why we call nasi lemak, also known as the coconut rice. So this one, the rice here, they pack here, normally it comes together with the sauce. However, I do not know how spicy that you like.
Is this sambal sauce?
Sambal sauce. That's why I separate it. So you just try a bit first mix with your rice, and then if you like it, then you can take more. And then this is the potato chip. This with the chili, sweet. This is tempeh. What? Tempeh, the fermented soybean.
That's fermented soybean.
And then this one, the deep fried mashed potato.
Deep fried mashed potato. Is that Malaysian?
Malaysian and Indonesian flavor. So and then these are delicacy for Malay dish. Rendang.
Rendang.
Yeah, rendang. So last time in the history, rendang are meant for the royal family. Normal people can't eat it.
Really?
So after a while, then it start to introduce to the people. But still, we eat only a special occasion during wedding or festival, the Hajj festival or the Raya festival. And then, but nowadays, people are craving about this dish. They make it available every single day. So there's no specialty anymore. But when I was a kid, I need to eat this thing. I need to wait twice a year. Sambal sauce, that one. Yeah. Eat with the rice.
It's spicy?
It's spicy, yeah.
Now, the sambal, it depends on the restaurant. So how they can make it very sweet, they can make it very spicy. But this one, you taste a bit first. But
this one's not as spicy.
Yeah, but when you mix with the rice, then you can know how it tastes.
Or you friend that? Much better than the ones in Australia.
Sorry?
Much better than the ones in Australia.
You know that the more that you talk longer, that I can detect your accent. You're from Australia. But
really?
in general, I thought that you're from States or Canada. Burger is very hard to get in Malaysia, and Malay people is hard to eat as well because if they have a burger, first of all, it's not halal because it's made from pork, and if they have a halal version, it's so damn expensive. That's why this guy Ramli, he create his own patty burger and start sell on the street, and then suddenly that becomes boom.
So the guy was called Ramli, that's why.
And we like this burger more than the McDonald's.
So weird.
So and then boom, become popular, and then he offer more branches, and then he see that there's a demand. Why not I just focus on manufacture patty burger and distribute throughout Malaysia and allow the other people to become entrepreneurs. As also. So that's why, because to remember him as the pioneer one, that's why we call it as a Ramli burger. Doesn't matter that wherever store is it, we still call it a Ramli burger.
So is the special burger different in every store or the same every store?
Same every day. They must be wrapped with an omelette, and then if the burger store doesn't know, I know from Malaysia.
How does it taste?
Very good.
Huh?
Better than the Canadian burgers?
Probably.
It's made from a beef stock, and then they put some chili and then
Beanstalk?
No, beef stock.
A beef stock, okay.
And then some turmeric, some spices and chili, and cornstarch to give some heat. Because the peanut sauce is very sweet, so that's why to give the balance up. Yeah, try it, guys.
Any opinions?
Yeah, very good. There's a smoky taste to it.
Yep.
Very good.
This is some of the herbs which that you already tried earlier in the market, such as fennel leaf, Vietnamese basil, there's a ginger flower inside, there's a cabbage, green sprout, and snake bean. And then there's a different layer. First layer is toasted coconut. The second layer, which is fish, which is like we grill the fish and then we debone and we make a floss. So now I will destroy it to make sure every component is coated to each other. Okay, I know that you are not full. Basically, this is considered like a rice salad for you guys, and
A rice salad.
Yeah, it's so refreshing and it's very very light.
So the blue is from the pea stalk?
The butterfly pea flower.
Pea flower.
Yeah.
Butterfly pea flower.
It's okay that if you don't, because it's a different flavor.
Coconut?
There's a coconut, there's no coconut inside it.
You guys like it?
Yeah. Different. It's late.
Yeah.
It's very late.
Out of nowhere, our tour guide has to act as a translator for this restaurant that he doesn't work at, to help these Dutch tourists out on what the hell to order.